How do I access command line arguments? I use Python to create my project settings setup, but I need help getting the command line arguments. I tried this on the terminal. In my Python file, I want to use all variables that are input.
Python tutorial explains it. More specifically, if you run python example.py123,
I highly recommend ArcParse, which comes with Python 2.7 and later. The ArcParse module reduces boilerplate code and makes your code more robust, because the module handles all standard use cases, including subcommands, generates the help and usage for you, checks and sanitize the user input, all stuff you have to worry about when you are using sys.arc approach. And it is for free, built in. Here a small example. And the output for Python prog.py. And the output for Python prog.py1 as one would expect.
To get only the command line arguments, not including the name of the Python file. The one column is a slice starting from the second element, index 1, and going to the end of the arguments list. This is because the first element is the name of the Python file, and we want to remove that.
Python code. Invocation. Output.
You can use sys.arg to get the arguments as a list. If you need to access individual elements, you can use where I is index, 0 will give you the Python file name being executed. Any index after that are the arguments passed.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.